Hi guys, we have here the Pravana color books. Great, one of the amazing brands. Pravana, amazing color brand that just came and blew everything out of the water. Make a big splash. This is the color book, so for your hairdressers interested in purchasing a color book, we do have them available. They come nicely sealed, comes with instruction and color conversions as well. That's the back, so let's go ahead and just go through the colors here, as you can see on each page. Love the colors. You get all the chromosil colors as well. Toners, naturals, amazing colors. So it's a very good color book at a great price for those who are familiar with the Pravana brand. It does also include the Vivids. I think that's what a lot of people, love the Vivids. Not so much the, chromosil colors, but the Vivids are where the, Pravana has made its mark. You got the clear, silver, yellow, orange, red, pink, magenta, violet, green, blue, wild orchid. Lovely colors. Pretty in pink, too cute coral, mystical mint, blissful blue, luscious lavender. And then you got the silk degrees hair colors. So if you're interested in purchasing this book for your hairdresser, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel and have a great day.